I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating personal information on Betterment is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by opening the Betterment app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select personal information. In account settings, find the section labeled personal information or similar. Click on it to access your current details. Step 4. Update your information. Make the necessary changes to your personal information, such as your address, phone number, or email. Ensure everything is accurate before saving. Step 5. Review and confirm changes. After saving, review your updated information to ensure everything is correct. You might receive a confirmation email or notification. Sometimes, the app may log you out after making changes, so be prepared to log back in to check your updates. I hope this helps you easily update your information. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.